Floosh cheese on, what did you get? Open up your hihilakhaset. Don't worry, parents, it's not a pet. We hope you love your hihilakhaset.
Actual hihilakhaset do not contain the following: kittens, doggos, or Georges.
Floosh cheese on, Conway Masaga, Tuck George P. Mini Mayhem was your qua, and we are here to show you what's in our hihilakhaset today. Ooh, I see a big cup with lemons in it and a straw. We're going to be making some lemonade. Before we get started, I'd like to thank Children and Family Services for sending us these cool cups to send home to everyone in their hihilakhaset. One of the first things I always like to do when I'm doing food project is get set up. I have my trusty baking tray here so I don't make a big mess. You will need a butter knife to cut the lemons or have your parents do it, so double check with your parents whether they want you to cut the lemons or if you're going to cut them yourselves. Watch out, Minnie. So what I read about your lemons is you want to make them room temperature, which means leave them out of the fridge for a little bit before you get started. So when you guys are getting ready, don't forget to squish your lemons. So we have our lemons, we have our cup. I have 2 cups of water, which is about how tall this is. And I have half a cup of sugar here, but I don't usually like things sweet, so I'll probably use a little bit less. So first things first, cut open your lemons. So remember to ask permission before you use a knife, and I'm going to cut into my lemon. And then I'm going to squeeze them as hard as I can into my cup here. And I don't mind if there's seeds in it, but you might want to pick the seeds out. Get every last drop! Alright, that's gross. I'm going to wash my hands real quick. Alright, so after I've got my lemon juice squeezed, I'm going to pour about half of my sugar, maybe a little less than half, into my water. Like I said, I don't like things very sweet, and we sent you guys too much sugar to use all at once. So don't use it all at once. Start off with a little bit and see how it tastes. Got to make sure to scrape all that sugar out. It's like being at the bottom of a cereal bowl. So even though I started with half a cup, I still have a lot of sugar left. Ooh, that's super good. I'm going to put the lid on and put it in the refrigerator to cool down. And then while it's cooling down in the fridge, I'll use that time to clean up. I'm going to see if the worms can eat lemons, and then I'll try it once it's cool. Jessica, do worms eat lemons? Alright guys, so we got the worms fed, we got the kitchen cleaned, and we got our lemonade cool. Time for the final taste test. That's pretty good. It's way better cold too. Alright, Hayamasi Paschagu, Oski Pasalda.
It's alive! The kitchen isn't clean!
The following resources are available in our community. If you need help with food, you can reach out to the food pantry at 503-879-FOOD. Other resources can be found on this list.
Hihilakhaset productions are filmed in front of a live studio audience.